Hey friends, Terry Brown here with Sprads Rv in Reno, Nevada. I'm here to show you the all-new Reflection 260 RD fifth wheel 150 series by Grand Designs RV. This little guy here has a lot of bang for your buck and a lot of punch for the small package it is. Starting with the big pass-through unobstructed storage space going all the way across, metal slam latch baggage doors, magnetic catch, and it shuts cool too. This also has the turning point pin box. So what that means is this fifth wheel can actually accommodate your 5.5 foot bed trucks with the standard fifth wheel hitch and get 90 degrees truck and trailer maneuvering position. No problem at all, because that pin box spins and actually changes the pivoting point of the hitch itself. Also, this features the all new quick unloading and loading from your hitch jack system right from the front of it, not on the interior of the coach, because there's a couple cool features I'll talk to you a little bit inside the coach. And this has the USA made Goodyear Endurance tires on it already as well. These are just a couple of the cool features of the Reflection 260 RD fifth wheel by Grand Designs RV. Let's go inside and see how this beautiful, amazing trailer lights up. Oh, sorry friends. Terry Brown here, Sprads Rv in Reno. I'm inside the all-new Reflection 260 RD 150 series fifth wheel by Grand Designs RV. As you can see already, I just got up out of that really nice recliner. That's actually a triple seat recliner. The two end seats are heated and massage with lighting in the cup holders and underneath. Look at this massive U-shaped dinette booth back here. This thing is absolutely amazing. Hardwood tabletop. Nice roller shades with huge panoramic windows all the way around, so you can actually view your campsite. If you back up to a lake, you have a beautiful view of the lake. You can have your cup of coffee or your evening cocktail looking at the actual lake that you're going to be at. Not to mention, if you have guests over and you need an extra bed, not a problem. 1, 2. Couple cushions here. You got a nice little bed here. Actually very roomy and spacious bed. Couple of the features that I told you on the inside that I was going to tell you, I had a little secret for you, is the all new Compass Connect system by Reflection from LCI. What this little bad boy does is at the tip of your fingers, you can actually have an application loaded to your smart device or tablet. You can control your slide outs, your auto leveling system that's on this guy here. You can control lighting. You can have self-diagnostics even sent to you, all from the touch of your fingertips. Now don't get scared. For those of you that are not tech friendly, there's all hard switches for everything in the coach, so don't worry about that. You're not just stuck to one thing. Reflection actually customized it to themselves to make it accommodating for people who are tech savvy and people who are not. I'm a fan of hard switches, so trust me, I completely understand it. This little guy here is under 30 feet total length. It weighs just under 7,700 pounds dry. That is amazing of a weight class to have an all-season coach, to have a 4-door, 12 cubic foot refrigerator and freezer, have a residential 30-inch over-the-range microwave. You're gonna have a 22-inch Furrion oven, auto-igniting oven portion, glass countertop cover over that, tons of counter space all over the place. I can't even talk. I can keep going on and on and on about this new 260 RD. You have to come in for yourselves. Come on down to Sprads Rv in Reno, Nevada. Ask for myself or one of our friendly associates. We'll take you out and show you this gorgeous 260 RD Reflection fifth wheel by Grand Designs RV and let you be the judge of why this is the hottest selling floor plan in the industry right now. Look forward to seeing you guys then.